If you're thinking about investing in something like the Grayscale Bitcoin ETF, you need to be mindful of the fees. Failing to do so can literally cost you millions of dollars over the course of your investment lifetime. This is a mistake that investors have been making for decades, and it's one that we can easily avoid, and I'll show you how in this video. Make sure you watch until the end because I'm going to show you a free tool that I use to compare the fees of different funds and ETFs, and it'll help you save a lot of money literally like right away. What's up, everybody? This is CMQ Investing, Compound Money Quietly. My name is Chris Franco, and I just want to give some thoughts on this Grayscale Bitcoin Trust because I'm seeing ads for it everywhere. A few weeks back, I was in the JFK airport in New York City because I was flying somewhere. I wasn't just hanging out in the airport. I was hanging out in the men's room. And when I was there was even ads for it there. And the fees that you have to pay on this Grayscale Bitcoin Trust,
they charge you a 2% annual fee.
And that's huge. I mean, you're just getting hosed, in my view. The way that I invest today, my strategy largely revolves around minimizing fees. Jack Bogle deserves so much credit for this.
He says that if you want to improve your retirement outcome, make sure to minimize Wall Street's take.
If people want to buy this and they want to pay the fees, so be it. I'm not against that. But just if you're not aware of this and this is something you're considering, you should be aware of it. And more importantly, and more generally, fees in all areas of your investments should be top of mind.
What happens in the fund business is the magic of compound returns is overwhelmed by the tyranny of compounding costs. It's a mathematical fact. There's no getting around it. The fact that we don't look at it, too bad for us.
There's a tool I want to recommend, and I'll put it up on a screen share. This is Fund Analyzer, which you can find at tools.finra.org. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested in using it. Hopefully you are. Type in the name of the fund. So in this case, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC, and I can compare it to others. So I mentioned in a recent video that I have a large percentage of my portfolio in VU. It will not always auto-populate, so you might have to hit enter. That's something that threw me off the first couple times I used it. How about we also compare it to the QQQ, just for good measure. There we go, down here. I'll analyze, and it shows me the total cost of owning these. And up here it says for a 10-year period. So let's just put 20 for fun. So let's say this is $1 million that would get a 5% rate of return over a 20-year period. The total cost of owning GBTC or the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust would be more than $540,000. And that's just based on those annual operating expenses that they were able to call out here, which is 2%. It's a great way to compare different funds you're considering, and it allows you to get to the fund's fees a lot faster than downloading each individual prospectus, although I think you still should do that. So anyway, again, the link for this tool will be in the description, and I hope it's helpful to you guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.